this will hit 1 or above, right? Oh, does that not clamp it?
Yeah, I don't think it
It
does.
does. No, it
It
does.
does?
If it's greater than
Okay.
1, it's supposed to return P2.
Yeah, it's just
So,
that it's the lerp doesn't get it to exactly the right place. Um,
uh,
there's like a 0.1 difference.
no, but if there even if there is a 0.1 difference, if it's 1.01, it will return P2, which should be equal,
Mm,
unless there's like a floating point precision thing.
You can do dot
it's
distance.
probably a
Yeah.
floating point precision thing. Because, yeah, because the camera translation basically gets to 32.3999999, whereas the target is 32.4. And so I'm guessing there's floating point precision stuff.
Well, that doesn't do anything. Oh, yes, it does. But it takes forever. That means the game doesn't start until
Wait,
now.
that could be. Hold up. Go main menu.
Main menu.
Yeah.
Okay,
So maybe that's this stupid stuff. Begin countdown minus delta time. So just get rid of all of that.
This.
Yeah. And then yeah, just set begin countdown. Just instead of begin countdown true, say play gaming is equal to true. And that's it. It could be that it's doing that there for some reason. No.
That's just the same thing, apparently. Well, no, it's because you're lerping, like, I don't know how you're lerping. I guess it's like an ease in. I don't know exactly what it is. But the point is, it's not quite getting to the end.
Well, yeah,
But
maybe.
that's okay. We can start the game like.
just do a vector.
Let me just revert. Yeah.
I did vector 3 distance less than 0.25, and that looks fine, and it starts
Yeah.
quickly enough.
That's what I was gonna say.
If
Just
you
higher
get
value.
and now
But we need to make the text be empty by default.
yeah, and you're probably gonna get a null reference exception eventually once you transition to the next level, and I already have a fix for it. If you get it. Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, so play replicator.
This is the game.
Line 60.
Yeah. Yeah.
Line 61 level manager dot instance. And that should fix everything.
So game is now with 2 minutes to spare. Game is approved, right?
Yep. Let's put a look on the gameplay features.
We probably need to say like, and you never destroy the main menu.
I don't know.
Where is it?
It's 100 above the Y by default.
All right. We're just doing this for now. Wait.
So the main menu is correct.
Where does it say? Oh, press enter. All right.
You guys know we have an hour to submit the game after the jam ends, right?
Might be a little too big.
So
And then the rest
yeah,
you'll figure out yourself.
don't worry. It's not a hard set deadline.
I meant. Okay.
Also, hey Austin Gill, thank you so much for following.
Yeah, see, that's that way you have a little guide that's like, okay, WSD. And then you know that you need to, well, you can start before the timer though. Actually, what happens if you just start moving? Oh yeah, you just start moving.
What?
Oh, on Game by Studio Cherno. We forgot that. That's the most important thing. Alright, it's 9 AM. Time's up, boys.
Woo.
Let me just finish my title. Where does it say
Hopefully the
Yes.
runtime works now.
Do we have a website page?
title? Not quite.
Ugh. We did it, boys. Yeah, they haven't updated the actual text. Hang on. Why does it look like that?
I'll make it slightly saturated.
It's just my Streamlabs
Call it a
hasn't
day.
actually updated it.
Alright,
Um,
better.
that looks nice.
Now can we play the game though?
That's the question.
Well, this seems to work.
I mean, it worked for me, so hopefully it should work for
Yeah,
you
will
as
it
well.
work in the run time though?
Yeah, that's the question.
Yeah, okay. I want to call that beautiful. Let's build this asset pack.
Can you push that? I can test it. Well,
Yeah. Well, no, I need to test it first, because otherwise, it's not. And by test it, mean like at least we can do the first scene or whatever.
You probably try.
Yeah,
like,
there's
the
a
first
1
three.
hour submit. There's a 1 hour submission hour.
Yeah.
There's a 1 hour submission.
So we that's why we haven't submitted and we're chill about it.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing now. We're going to submit it. We're not going to
Hopefully.
work on the game anymore, apart from critical bug fixes.
And crashes.
Oh man, I'm a bright boy. Let's make this a bit.
I am a
All
very
right, so
dark boy.
yeah.
Cause I yeah.
Well, let's close this guy. I think it's well. Let me just grab the the Three Musketeers asset pack sound back and audio commands registry. Oh, the levels, right? So these are all of them. Yeah.
Wait, did a debug one make it?
I don't know. Who cares? That was all that is Ed. Well done. You actually made 26 levels. And
Damn.
guys, you guys can add your own. I like how they get progressively redder
Well, it's from 0 to red.
from 0 to hero. That's funny.
Get a prize if you make it all the way through.
Is there anything else? Yeah, shader pack I already have. I think everything should be good. I should just be able to now run this.
And have it crash,
Please don't
maybe?
crash.
Oh.
Oh, look, we got the
progress.
main menu. Enter.
Uh-huh.
That works.
Timer's
Yeah,
not
that
there.
Well, no, timer is there. It just takes a while to start,
fix it in
which is
in
a bit
post.
annoying. Yeah, we'll fix it later.
Fix it.
Okay, that seems to
Okay.
work. Audio is perfect.
I haven't heard a drop of it.
Oh, the audio is
Yeah,
actually really good.
I haven't
I'm
heard
actually
it
really
either.
happy with it. Yeah, you guys are gonna like the audio, I think. Yeah, I mean, look, the only thing I would add is extra help text and stuff.
Yeah.
That's it. Some narration.
Some narration.
Well, narration in terms of text, like,
Ah.
you know, kind of guiding you through each stage and stuff like that.
So
And maybe showing you like stage. Oh, yeah, sorry guys about the laggy. It's the
PDNS, thank you so
it's
much
the
for
Streamlabs.
the follow.
You'll have to
Yeah.
play it yourselves.
That's
And
looking
hopefully
good.
it won't be bad. Okay, so I reckon since we don't have any settings yet, we're gonna make a launcher for this, guys, and you guys will be able to. You guys with like, how do I say this gently? Potatoes will be able to set your graphic settings accordingly. But what I will do is by default we'll just ship this bad boy as just like a borderless full screen at your native resolution. With like AO and everything.
It's SSR.
No, SSR's off. SSR we'll make SSR available in the launcher later because it actually looks really cool.
It
Are
looked
we at least
amazing.
shipping both HTAO and GTAO?
No, we're not
It's
doing
fucked.
both AOs. We should probably make a AOB like half res or whatever. All right, anyway, so we've done that. There was one little bug in the engine. We just fixed now. It's not really a bug. It's just like if the window's not decorated, and if we've asked for full screen, I think we should probably disable resizing.
Yeah.
So like set window set resizable.
No, it's
What's the
window
thing,
hint.
man?
Window hint with GLFW resizable.
Really? That's a hint?
Yep,
That sounds like it shouldn't be a hint.
it's a hint.
All right. And then let's do a dist build.
Uh,
We made it, boys. And we fixed, well, fixed maybe a liberal word, but
Stitched together.
but
more
no,
like
no, no. But we have fixed the thing where it crashes 50% of the time on launch, which you might think
Fixed.
didn't know about.
No, I heard something about
Yeah, I
have
fixed
no
it by
Oh, beautiful.
removing code.
We could hide the mouse pointer, but I kind of like it here because
Yeah.
that way you can point at stuff.
it. But would you need? I guess.
No.
Yeah.
Wait,
okay.
should I do a game capture for the boys?
But
Oh no, I don't think I can because it's a full screen thing and it's gonna freeze like it did last time. Okay, I don't care. Sorry guys. Oh, and we need an icon and stuff. All right. Well, whatever. We'll
do you want
set
to
this up. This works. Control F3 to view your stats. Embarrassingly high render thread time. Let's ignore that. The flat. Yeah, okay, that's not bad actually. I almost thought the outline shader wasn't there for a second.
Tony
But
in
it
my
is.
chat just said Peter fixes.
Wait,
Peter fixes
do we
stuff
do
with
we
the mood on.
destroy?
Hmm?
Do we destroy?
Yeah,
I didn't hear what you said because of the.
we destroyed full tiles.
yeah.
Oh,
just-
we do.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. Thank
Think-
you.
Well,
Okay, I hope
larger
so.
I know most people
sandbox
do
style
not
both
have
can
tons of
but
memory.
why not?
Okay, cool. So, um, okay, as far as I'm concerned, that is actually shipped. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to give you guys this build. You guys are gonna test it.
Yeah.
And by the way, I'm not talking to you, stream. Sorry, I'm talking to the boys. I'm talking to Tim Peter. Yeah. You know, we like this game so much, we've decided not to share it with you guys. You know, it's kind of like when you're having like a nice like piece of chocolate. I mean, I don't even like chocolate, so it's a bad analogy, but whatever. All right. So, and meanwhile, I'm gonna make an icon for this game
Yep.
and like add some like assembly information and all that stuff. So, and then you guys will be able to play it soon. Okay, dist. Here it is. I'm guessing the mono DLL stays the same.
Yeah, it does.
And if I launch this, it works.
Nice.
right. Delete config. Oh, wait. Oh, but config has like tiering settings, doesn't it? Nah, it doesn't. It's like
Nah.
hazelnut
It does
settings
have
or whatever.
settings.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for some reason there's like hazelnut settings shipped with this or whatever. Well, not, they
Yeah.
don't ship with it, but it'll make it. Let's delete the colliders. Oh, it's still called LD51, but whatever.
It's fine.
I'll call this dichotomy. I guess I'll change it for a build once you guys can play with it for a bit. Just check these directories real quick. Yeah, it should be good though. I think that's it. Oh, logs as well. I can delete. All right, that's it. Let's just no, I can't. I was gonna run it again. I get into a vicious loop of deleting everything, a single file that I don't think we need, and then running it, which generates those files again. Wait, 41 meg compressed. Bro,
Damn.
that shows just how much we can compress that 100 meg asset pack.
Yeah. That's actually insane.
All right. And let's extract this as well while I'm uploading it to Discord for the boys. Oh, sweet. Peter's got his he's sitting on his desktop waiting eagerly.
Yep.
This is gonna be
I was
great.
going to, I would
Okay, let me try as well with that extracted thing. Got some virus protection going on. Don't you worry,
Wait,
Windows. Yeah, it's up.
Yep.
Well, up for the boys. I feel like I need to keep telling stream that. What? Okay, Tim's just spilled kombucha on his headset because he was so excited.
Nice. All right. Extract that.
This is so exciting.
Yeah.
Watching Peter play this, and hopefully, like, I'm actually a little bit nervous right now because I just hope it works on your computer.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh no, it should. Wait.
I'm waiting.
Did I build it with my absolute path? I may have.
You
Well,
may
if this
have.
doesn't work, we'll see.
Um.
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I don't think I did. What's going on?
What is that audio? The audio sounds like absolute garbage. No, I don't think so. Yeah, and
Built it with an absolute path. So let's go back. Take 2. This is just to be quick.
yeah, because that audio, I don't think it should be my headset, because I think it was working in the editor.
But that's weird then, isn't it? Because there shouldn't be any difference. And the runtime audio obviously works for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shame.
Well,
What am I looking for?
I played Forest without audio, so I can do it again.
It continues.
Yeah.
All right. Where is that? Yeah, runtime. This bad boy. Easy to miss. But now I gotta open up Hazelnut again.
It's a bit of a process to build it.
Yes, I should make it a little bit more streamlined.
Yeah.
But to be honest, considering I wrote half of the asset packaging system during this Latum there,
That's fair.
I think that's fair. All right, build asset pack. Damn, 95 used assets. Is that true?
That doesn't sound right.
Well, that's including like, sound config, sound sources,
Okay.
my sound crap.
It's still 95.
Yeah, it's quite a bit.
Yeah.
All right, so let's delete that. Let's delete that. Latum dev 51. Let's delete that, and then assets, and then
Just have to remember to mute my desktop output for the stream when I play.
I kind of want to listen to it.
But here's the thing. If it was just my headset, then the audio for stream should be fine. Because I capture that using just
True.
desktop audio, and that definitely wasn't fine. Because I could see the levels just peaking constantly.
Yeah. That's weird.
Blame
Oh,
Windows.
no. Peter,
Hmm?
that happened because the player was constantly dying. Because there was no level.
Oh.
That's why. That happens for me as well.
I
Okay, good.
see.
I'm glad it's not a real issue.
Yeah.
Hopefully I put it into the right directory. Yeah, because it sounds beautiful for me.
Yeah.
Done? Oh, is this second?
Yeah,
stream?
done. Number version 2.
This time with less ear death.
Guys, stream. It'll be a little bit before you guys get a build because I have to add an icon and do some stuff.
No. Stream
But
doesn't get
mission
built.
hour ends in 46 minutes, so you'll get it before then. And hopefully we have to just make sure that it actually works, on other computers.
Yeah.
Peter's currently extracting it, which is very exciting. Take 2.
Okay. I'm gonna mute the stream audio until I know it's fine. I'm gonna. Oh, that's beautiful.
All right, excellent.
Stream needs to hear
Peter
it.
says that's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually really nice music.
Thank you. You know why it's nice? It's the reverb. It's the reverb and the low pass filter.
Yeah. Also the
And wait, do you like the flag sound?
the flag.
Well, the goal sound.
Yeah. I did.
And wait till you hear the death sound. I think that's cool as well.
Well, I'm probably gonna die on the next section because I've only ever played up to number 3. So I don't know how to actually get to the goal. You know what? I was trying to jump off.
You know what I just realized, Peter?
What?
So when I've been watching your screen,
Yeah.
I've always noticed that you had a comma instead of a dot
Yeah.
as your decimal place. And in my head, I, for some reason, always thought that you'd locally done that to your code. But then now I'm realizing that it's probably just like the decimal to string localization
Yeah.
or whatever in C#.
It is. Because it's using
But
the
I thought you'd literally done something like if Sweden, if Europe.
Yeah, no. It's
Oh, that's great. So this game has localization.
yeah. Technically.
Amazing. I mean, it's all in English, but sure. Okay, well, actually, I've been watching Peter play this while my stream is watching my Windows Explorer window set on a background of Visual Studio in oil on canvas. But yeah, I've been watching Peter play this. I'll just show stream for a bit. I've been watching Peter play this for like the last.
All right.
Oh, do you like the death sound?
Yeah, I love the death sound. I will say
Excellent.
it's surprisingly relaxing to play it.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Even though it's frustrating when you die,
Yeah.
it's still incredibly relaxing. And the whole music and all of the audio clips, absolutely amazing.
Well, I'm glad because to be honest, when I started the music and then later considered not doing any sound effects, like the audio journey for this game was always like I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, should I maybe just not do any sound effects or
Yeah.
let's just like because that piano thing was literally just like one take and I'm like I stopped halfway through because I noticed that my recording level was too low.
Wait.
But then I turned it up and it had like a nice, almost analog sounding noise to it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you know what, that fits. And then I just processed it.
Sorry to interrupt your story.
Yeah,
time.
it's okay.
Peter, do pressure plates work for you? Because they don't for me.
Oh, what?
What?
Pressure plates don't work for Timothy.
Hang on. I'm gonna mute it so I can hear you boys.
Also, did you didn't undo that code when I told you to swap the bridge rotations around, did you? Like the pixel definition.
No,
Because if you didn't, and I told you to do that, I guess I was wrong.
I think you were wrong in that
'Cause you
case.
actually had it right somehow, even though that's the opposite of what I was doing.
Okay, you're gonna have to guide me to a pressure plate. Because I don't know where they're located.
Make this back up. Can you, Peter, maybe jump on a call with Tim?
Yeah.
And I'm in the meantime going to create an icon.
All right, cool. All right.
Yeah, I don't
So,
know. Do they work for you or not?
you're gonna have to guide me to a pressure plate.
Okay, well, it's a couple of levels down.
All right. How do I beat this one?
Go to the center. Go to the center and all the way down.
Hang on. That would be there.
Yep. From memory, that's it. I think the next one has a pressure plate
Okay.
from memory. Just go straight. Go straight and you should die because the pressure plate doesn't get activated.
Okay.
The bridge is also going to be rotated the wrong way around, which
Alright.
is 100% my fault.
Yeah. Why isn't it activating? I hooked that up. I'm just gonna open up the code. Because okay, so first of all, let's have a look in level reader. So 150 and
Swap
60.
those back around, yes. Swap those back around.
Yeah. So that's that. And pressure plates not functioning is why we set the bridge if we have a bridge and a pressure plate. If it contains, we instantiate it. If it's a pressure plate. Oh crap, I know why.
You know what?
Yeah, on create hasn't been called for pressure plate or bridge when we call .as. Let me think if there's a quick way I can fix this. And I think if
I can give you a quick test file for it. I'll make a quick test file so you don't have to go all the way down.
yeah, trying to think. Okay, so let's have probably kill the game at this point.
Yeah, I should say.
I just have to defer that assignment until the first frame. That shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. So this. Gonna do something very ugly. Tim?
Yep.
Oh, good. Thought you'd.
No, I'm still here. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
I'm about to send you a test file in Discord.
Good.
So it's the exact same level, basically just wait. Okay.
You
So
sent
if you
it?
just drag that in, it'll be the first one to play automatically. You don't have to change anything.
All right.
And you just have to go down the center.
Just go
If you
down the
fix it, then
center.
it'll open. Yep.
All right. Well, my fix is pretty much almost done now.
Okay, cool.
I actually didn't need to do that, but whatever. I can't be bothered. Do that.
That's funny. I'm back.
Okay. Save the file. I am about to launch Hazelnut.
Thank you, Night to Time. It was a long journey.
It should just. What level? What is this? Cube test? What?
I've,
Oh no! I open up Jolt.
You'll learn to. Ah. I was like, there's no chance that's Operation Cube. Imagine after 72 hours, that's what we got.
All right.
He's about to test it.
Hopefully, I have all of the fixes I need as well.
Both great, I think. If everything works, and if I did not make a single mistake in a single level, I am happy. And yeah, I
Let's
mean, I did
see.
go double check and everything, but
Nope. It triggered, but there was no. But we got a null ref. But let's see, 17. So the bridge got set to null. Okay. What if I just. So we set those to true. First frame we do this. What if I don't do this?
okay.
Why am I getting that?
I mean, I can start on screenshots now. I can't really help in any way with what Peter's doing.
Yeah, you start with screenshots.
Yep.
So we hit this immediately. Okay, I'm gonna do an ugly hack.
Ugly hacks for the win.
Yeah, I'm just gonna add a frame counter.
Damn. Is that gonna be frame rate relative?
Actually, hold on.
That might not be that simple.
I'm not sure why that didn't work. They should have been spawned in. Meaning onCrate should have been called. So let's take a look. Does have a pressure plate. This is the tile. It has a child, which is the pressure plate. And yet it hasn't had its onCrate called. Huh. Why? That's a big problem. I mean, onCreate in this case doesn't actually matter in the first place.
If I remember correctly, it's space to reveal. Space to reveal definitely, and F to slow down time, right, Peter?
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
But how do you know that you want the reveal ability?
You don't until you press space. It's not something. It's just
When do you get it?
immediately. You have it from the
always
start.
have
You always have it. It's always unlocked. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. You can. So with the slow motion is only really used to avoid blades. Like that's the only time it makes sense. And as far as I understand, Peter, correct me if I'm wrong. It's only applied in the player. Like you can only use it when the level is being played out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can only use it when the
No,
level is being
you
played out.
can use the slow-mo even if you're just in the sandbox, but it doesn't make any sense.
No, you're not stopped. You're not stopped in sandbox, but it doesn't make any sense. And I don't. I guess it would affect the play-in thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, my fix doesn't work.
Damn it.
I think this is partly caused by us commenting out the code in the scripting engine.
It's on a timer. It's on a 3.5 second timer. So in 10 seconds, you get to use it twice. At most. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. There's a lot of things that could be added to make it cool.
Yeah. This is big problem.
Big problem.
Yeah, because for some reason it's not actually calling onCreate for the pressure plate script, meaning we can't get it in C#.
There's no like ugly engine hack that you can write like hard code the script in.
I mean, I think I could basically force it to give me the instance. Because in this case, I don't think it matters that it won't like have its parameters initialized. Yeah, no, that won't matter. So I could do a very
That's
ugly
not going to be a
hack.
problem for the axes, right? It's just going to be a problem for the pressure plate.
It shouldn't be a problem for the axe.
Okay.
But I'm quickly gonna force.
I haven't seen it work.
Oh, actually, I got a good tip in my chat. It's probably safe for us to add back the code we uncommented.
Which code?
In the scripting engine, we commented out some code because it was causing crashes. But because we've removed all of the calls to entity.as from onCreate and we put it into update, we shouldn't have a problem with that anymore.
Oh wait, if this fixes it, that would be great.
But Jan will have to test that in the runtime. Because it was in the runtime that we were getting the crash.
Damn it. Okay. Jan, so there's a fix that might work. The problem is you have to test it in the runtime. It was that crash in the scripting engine, remember? When you would be calling entity.as in onCreate. So he's gonna uncomment the lines and bring back that code because he's no longer calling in onCreate. He's only calling in on update. That might fix what's broken, and that should work still. But you're gonna have to test it.
So I'm just gonna add back the code the way it was. Actually, I can just open up fork.
No. No.
Where's my fork? There it is. Changes. This I will discard. Okay. So I'm gonna test it in the editor first to make sure that it at least doesn't crash in editor.
Did it ever crash in the editor?
No, but I still
Okay.
really want to make sure
Right.
because you never know when it comes to mono.
Yeah, that's true.
And I really do not want to say that it works and then have it not work.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, we won't really care about the editor
Yeah.
at this point. Like,
Okay, so I mean, I didn't get the exception when I hit the pressure plate, but also there's no bridge in the level.
which means it's being called now. Yes.
I can verify through the debugger.
Just verify and push that engine fix so that Jan can begin testing it immediately.
Yeah.
And then maybe push the game code when you have that.
I'm pretty confident that it's no longer an issue because I'm not getting an exception, and it's hard to tell if it's working or not, but I'm gonna find out.
Mhm.
It's working. We're getting
Okay,
triggered.
Yeah, just push that code for the engine, and then Jan will pull it and test it
Yep.
in your own time.
Fork. Engine. Because, yeah, he will have to switch around that. Well, I can push the gameplay fix as well because we did change that thing. I think it should be fine for me to push. Engine fix has been pushed.
Okay, Jan, engine fix has been pushed.
And I'm gonna push that value for the bridges that we've changed.
Yes, that's what I want to know.
Give me the cover image, like
Okay,
the
sure.
one with the cover and the latest stage one.
Okay.
All right, everything's been pushed.
Wait, do pressure plates work?
They should.
But did you test it?
Yeah.
They okay. So pull the game code as well, and that should be just working.
Yeah.
Wait, but you didn't commit that test file, did you?
No.
Okay, cool.
Because I checked, I attached the debugger and I put a breakpoint in on plate triggered, which is where we were getting the exception.
Well, yeah.
And we weren't getting that now, so it is in fact having its bridge value set.
Okay.
So it should be all good.
But you made it through that first level, right?
No, because you forgot to basically put the bridge in.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
But did you though?
I thought it. Wait, did I? You can just find another file and rename it in one of the ones that are there. But I somehow feel I didn't.
I'm gonna check the values.
I don't know. I have a bridge here. Yeah, I have a bridge.
You have a bridge in the game.
Well, no, in the texture there's a bridge. The one that's set at 60. So.
Okay. Awesome.
So something's still not there.
Yeah. I'm gonna run it again.
What does this not have? What is this? What's code? Okay.
Okay. Because to me, there's a spike there.
There should be a spike, and on top there should be a bridge. So there's both a spike and a bridge there.
Okay.
We support that, right?
We should.
Okay.
There's pressure plate. Spikes. Bridge. Ugh. Okay, now I know what. So they're at negative 100. The bridges.
Which means it's an easy fix.
Yep. Because I've fixed that
Okay.
for access and pressure plates already.
Okay. Levels G and onwards are lava.
The prettiest level.
I have no idea. I haven't played them. I've only seen them in the text document. No. Ah, man. So annoying. Let's just pull the game code and be done with it. Did I seriously have that open? No, it's just like this. Yeah, okay.
Hmm. That's weird.
Maybe it has something to do with the changes that you made trying to fix it beforehand.
No, it shouldn't be. But the thing is, that doesn't end up happening. Okay. I'm gonna see about doing this instead.
Yeah, Jan, I can't really help you with the screenshots. I don't have a branch that runs, and well, I can't take. No, yeah, but I can't take screenshots on like a full res like that.
Oh wait,
Just
I know
saying.
what's up here.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Wait a minute. Worst case, he's just gonna have to submit it, and I'll just fix it, and then we can push an update.
Okay.
Um,
Peter says
because
you might just have to submit it and push an update.
because it is
Later.
just a hang on. Oh, I know why. It's because of this spike tile. Because the spike tile has multiple children, my code
Right.
didn't quite work.
Okay.
And that's why we're not seeing the bridge. Got it.
Okay, Peter's actually fixed it.
No, I am about to fix it.
Well, he's about to fix it. Give it like 2 minutes and you'll have the
Yep. It's literally just if tag. All bridges have the same name, just bridge, right?
Yes, yeah. I never changed the prefab past making it initially.
Because if okay, good. Because I'm gonna use the name to detect if it's a bridge.
5.3 gig, 57 gig. These are not full. Yes, they're red.
This should fix it. Now that I know that we can have weirdness, I'm gonna have to apply the same fix. Have you put like access over spikes?
Yes, I would have probably.
Okay, then I have to apply this fix to that too, but that's easy. Just do it as a safety precaution.
And in one case, in something that doesn't matter, like don't worry about fixing this, because I think it's on the very last level. But I put an axe over a bridge.
Okay.
That looks pretty cool.
Okay, no, I know what's up here. Um, the problem is that this wouldn't be that, it would be spike, not bridge. In theory, they should have fixed it for the spikes. Uh,
No Boolean. There's some debug code that's made in the thing.
is it the queue?
Yeah, it's a cube.
Okay.
I love it how you knew what it was.
Okay. So this has 6 children, one of which has the tag bridge. So we do this, we do hit that. It has 2 children. Okay. Good. So now I just need to do this. I'm probably gonna have to.
I think Jan's submitting the game as it is right now.
Yeah, that's fine. I think I'm just managed to fix this, but the thing is, it's weird because it won't work. I'll have to do a more generalized fix that will
Right.
work for multiple tile types, because currently it would
Yeah.
only didn't even work for spikes for some reason. But it's fine for him to submit it. Oh yeah, because it's that copying, pasting code and not updating it is the bane of all evil.
Yeah, literally. There should be like a prompt.
Yeah.
Everything to do that.
Every time you paste something, it'll pop up and be like, "Are you sure you want to do this?"
Literally. What is it
Okay.
like this?
Please work. Yes, bridges now work.
Bridges now work. Excellent.
Well, I should say bridges now work over spikes.
Well, yeah. I mean, it would be good to test
To be
There
honest,
shouldn't be any difference between other tiles, right? All destructible tiles are treated the
the
same.
only reason it's difference is, I think, what I've done now, I've just changed the code again. So now
Mhm.
every time we want to animate a tile going up, we go through all of its children, and we check if they have the tag bridge,
Mhm.
and then we go through the bridges children if they do, and we update their translation as well. I'm gonna have to do the same thing for the axe,
Okay.
but that should be fine because we do.
Well, not having bridges breaks the entire game. Like you can't progress,
Yeah,
and not having axes, it just makes the game easier.
yeah.
In areas where it would have been more difficult.
So
So that was priority number one. But yeah, I guess if
yeah,
the game's getting uploaded anyway, just take your time and
yeah.
solve it. I can write you. I guess I'll make you a quick test scene that tests all of this,
Mm,
and a duplicate version that would test the mirror reflected one,
yeah.
if there's a need for that. I don't know how you're sending the rotation.
The rotation should be fine, but
No
do
need to
it do
test
it
it?
either way.
Do it either way. Okay.
Yeah. Pretty sure we call that the prefab like X container. Yeah, it's X container. Meaning it should have, yeah.
Where's my Photoshop?
That takes care of that. Okay.
There are some bugs, unfortunately.
While you make the test level, I'm gonna head to the bathroom.
No problem. This is like literally like a demo version what you're pushing. There's gotta be a fix as soon as it's possible, because that way it would actually allow it to be beaten.
Yes. A little bit broken. Sorry guys in advance, but we actually really like this game, so we're probably gonna put in the effort to fix it. And don't forget that you guys can literally yeah, I know the icon in the top. Play it full screen. I might fix that in a minute. If you guys can set levels and see this is wait like level path.
Did you include what the values need to be? Like an easy.
All right, I'm back.
Mhm.
But if I'm pretty sure that this will actually fix um all kind of axe and bridge animations, no matter
Yeah.
which tile they're on.
Can you just double check that slow mo works for you? Because it doesn't for me. I haven't managed to make it work, and neither has Jan.
Mm, let's see. It might not be taking into account everywhere. Um, Just trying to find a
custom formats for our
place where it would actually be taken into account. Tell you what,
Well, good. Apparently, like three or four people have said it works on their computer.
so where
That's
isn't it
great.
working for you?
Wait, what?
Where is it not working?
I haven't seen it work at all. Or is it only something you can tell if an axe is present in the scene?
I don't
Because
know.
I didn't see any FOV about the thing.
I did get the FOV change.
Okay.
Already stuck on
Yeah. Well, that's as far as it can go.
Time scale. So the axe should be in slow motion because that multiplies delta time with the time scale in the time manager. Let's open this with GIMP. Check. Level
Damn.
reader.
People have been keen.
30 on the blue channel.
the game. Yeah, I mean, we wanted to have a bit of a tutorial, but I kind of the idea would be, that it's WA.
I'm just gonna put an axe into the test scene you sent.
Yeah, I'm about to send the one that tests axes and pressure plate of
Oh,
one kind.
okay.
I'll send the second one.
Yeah, in
I'll
that
send the
case.
second one that tests the other pressure plate. So this tests both axes and one pressure plate. And I'll send a second pressure plate test in a second.
Yeah.
Understand it. So this tests all the tiles as well,
Yeah, that's
Um,
good.
over all tiles. So
And Jan has submitted.
yeah, it's already live.
Good.
Like, 80 downloads or something.
Good.
Yeah, so we're in by the deadline.
Wait for that to.
That is an improvement. Next game 10 FPS.
Okay, so where are the traps or the bridges and the axe supposed to be? Okay, the
that
axes
means-
are there.
have you got you do have stream? What is it?
Oh, I do.
Well, your stream, I think.
Oh, well, I can
right?
share my screen
No,
instead.
you're not. No, yeah.
Just do that. Because the axes
It's,
show
I
up.
think it's already done. He's just he's just fixing the other asset that's broken with it as well.
Okay. So you're watching my screen share?
I am, yeah.
Good. So there's the axes.
Axes work.
And they're
Excellent.
supposed to be left to right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's but they have other ones as well.
Yeah. I'll see if I might be able to get past them.
Make it. So, yeah, I didn't realize it was that close.
Because slow motion did apply to them as well.
So you just have to click it as soon as you start.
Yeah, literally, like, because you can see
Yeah,
they're
okay, so
swinging.
slow motion works. Excellent. Yeah, just wait. Yeah.
We'll do that, and
But if you go too far, no, I think the others are vertical. The others shouldn't kill.
there we go.
Yeah.
I made it past, and those are killing tiles.
Yep.
Now you had pressure
So
plate and
if
bridge.
you take 3 steps, you should see more axes that are vertical.
Okay.
And eventually you'll walk over a bridge as well. I can't remember, but it might be safer to go all the way through the level.
Okay, so there's the bridge.
I don't see any tiles.
Are there supposed to be axes like here?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay. Let's have a look.
Yes.
Undefined blue value 80.
And in fact, there's a tile that's missing as well.
So there is a value that isn't correct.
Okay. which would be probably this, right?
Oh, it's because I'm dumb. I'm checking the wrong enum. That's why it's not finding that axe. This
Yeah,
should be
that
trap type. Now the axes
Um,
should appear
okay.
if I can get past the first two.
90 and
Let's see.
yeah, I don't understand why all the lava tiles aren't there for you because they should be.
So, like on the edges of this.
So it's adjacent to every tile. There should be another tile, and adjacent to the one that you're about to step on, there won't be. Oh, or maybe there will. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all
Although, are these
that rotation is wrong.
okay? I think I might know why. Because we only provided with one axe container, I guess I can just do this.
Entirety of the base condition of the game extensions.
Hmm. Okay, so it's up down that I need to fix. Like that.
Close you guys to it.
Like a dot zero fix. Like yeah, majority of it they'll be able to. A zero day zero bugs. I think like if Peter literally pushed what he has now, like people would be able to play majority of the game
Yeah, I think so.
without any issue. So perhaps it's better to do that.
Oh, wait.
And then chase down the rest of this.
I think I might have fixed the axe as well.
It's just gonna double check one more thing, and if that's done.
And
So I really didn't make this the easiest level to test.
no, it's fine. Okay. I think if I hit, yeah, whatever. Worst case, I can just go
Yeah,
and
but-
remove those. There we go.
Okay.
You press F just before and it's fine. And then move forward 3. And they should be swinging the other way. Come on. They're not. Why not? That's really frustrating.
Okay, well, just give this to Jan so he can upload it and people can play the game.
Yeah. I'll push what I have currently. And then I will immediately, I'm gonna have to push that because it's being referenced. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Slow
Actually,
motion works.
slow motion
Slow
works.
motion works. The only two objects which you'll notice of this are bridges, none of which you can get to in the base version of the game.
Yeah, guys, I should have
Okay. We'll need that. And the rest doesn't matter. Fixed ridges and axes not appearing.
Yeah.
All right, game has been pushed. So he should be able to fix, upload the patch. And what I'm gonna do for the axes is I'm gonna do this. do a bit of an ugly here.
He's pushing now.
Hmm?
But let me know when you've pushed this.
I pushed.
To pull. You can pull. Yep. Does he need engine side fixed?
Depends on did he do the fix that I kind of told him to do.
You pulled the last fix, didn't you?
Like he uncommented the commented code in Script Engine.
He uncommented the commented code. That was no. I think that was the one you even uploaded with. The fix that undid all the script changes. Do you remember?
Yeah, but that wasn't. That didn't properly override his changes, I think.
Yeah. So Peter says it didn't overwrite your changes properly.
But if he then went in and fixed it, that's fine.
Yeah. He says there's nothing on Git. It's
Well,
just blank space.
Yeah, but okay, tell him exactly this. He will go into script glue in script component get
Go into
instance.
script glue. Script glue. What is it?
Script component get instance.
Script component get instance.
And he
if that's
needs to
commented
bring
on.
back the else if.
You need to bring back what?
The else if statement.
The else if statement. Just uncomment that. Okay.
That's the only thing engine side.
I think that's the only thing engine said. right, Peter?
Yes, that's the only thing engine side.
We really need to set up a voice channel in the studio channel Discord just so we can all be in there.
Yeah, that's true, actually. All right, I'm hoping the rotation of the X works now. Great.
I added a bunch of stuff to the main menu, like the WSD keys.
Anyways.
Come on. I'm trying to get back past these axes.
Let me just take 2 seconds and make you a different level. Like if we know
Yeah.
those rotations work, I'm just gonna put them at the end.
I mean, just remove
Not
those
at the
two
start.
axes from that level. And
Yeah,
it will
but
be fine.
just in case, but by you fixing, by you fixing the others, so you can still check
Yeah,
whether
that's
these
true.
are broken or not. Okay.
I think a big problem with and I think we had this during last London there as well. We didn't have enough time to playtest.
Yeah,
Sadly.
it's just at some point we probably should have just said like, okay, this is all this game is gonna look like. If we
Yeah.
want to add more features, we're gonna add it. The problem is, it felt like the last day was just bug fixes. I think.
Yeah, it
Like,
was.
that was all of last day.
Yeah,
don't
and
know if
because
any
we
people are-
decided that I was gonna rewrite the entire way we handled sections. That took a
Yeah,
lot
but
of
at the
time.
same time, that was necessary.
Well, we could have technically kept it somewhat. Like it wasn't just fixed
I
the
sent you an image, by
issues,
the way.
but I do think the game ended up being better because we did actually rewrite it in the end. So I don't regret it, but if we hadn't had to do that, it would have been a lot more time for playtesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the new level, and I just walk forward.
Yep. You'll eventually come into horizontal axis, but not before you come into vertical axis.
Okay, let's see if my rotation worked. Nope, did not. I think the problem is, like, part of the problem is just in the axe rotator.
Yeah.
There. Again, this is a very ugly fix, if it fixes it. No, wait, actually.
Cool.
Has he tested the runtime?
Yep.
Did it work?
Wait, that was in runtime you tested, all right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And it
that
worked?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay,
Awesome.
I think I know what I'm doing here. I think I know what the problem is. I'm using world space, right.
Okay.
If I try doing this, hopefully it would do it correctly this time. This is so frustrating. But I'm glad that the runtime works. Yeah, that's not correct.
Okay, I'm sending you a second bridge test, the one that sends the mirror, and then I'm outie doing screenshots.
Yep. I think once I fix this axe and test the bridge, I'll probably head out for the night.
Yep.
I suspect.
But yeah, this is necessary to fix.
I'm wondering if at
All
this
the
point
ways.
I could just do.
Okay, I sent you the second bridge.
Yep.
So if both those levels work, and you see every type of rotation, I guess, both for bridges and for axes, then that should be working. I don't see why that wouldn't be.
So
Because bridges don't care what entity they're over, right? What kind of
not anymore.
Anymore. Okay.
So I should see bridges and what?
You should see a yeah, is this the first one? No. You should see the second level I tested sent to you. Well, I guess once you find out the layout, there's no traps. You just have to make sure that the bridge is oriented the right way.
Yeah.
Wait, did I even add the right bridge? I might have. That would be a blunder. Does this left to right? 90. Well, I highly doubt it. Yeah, I gave you the wrong bridge.
Mm.
So that should be correct.
We really should have had a debug button that just lets us skip the 10-second timer.
Yeah, no, that's. I think in games like this, first thing to implement.
Yeah.
It's at least 20 seconds to test anything, maybe even 40 if it's like if you're taking your time with it.
Yeah.
Um, okay, what's called? Okay, I deleted the one that was garbage and actually complete and utter fallacy. I'm about to send you the real one.
Yep.
Holy smokes!
Hey guys, I'm just uploading into the bottom dash chat this new build version. So just
Yeah, chat. You told me to put that code back in there.
Okay, yeah, I sent it to you.
Yeah. These
Release 1.0. I like it.
these axes are not cooperating. I think worst case, Jan's gonna have to take a look at my rotation math. So should I be using the
It's
latest
usually the best.
file you sent or both of the files?
What's that? Well, you need to test. You need to test both. Um,
Yeah.
but one is easy, I guess.
Okay. Say that.
Although I should have made it even easier. I think. Kind of annoying.
It's alright.
Basically, there's only one good path in the level. So if you see a tile that's not a deadly tile, go down that tile.
Okay. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go in and name those files 0 and 1. Axe test 0. Thing is, I don't think I'm gonna be capable of fixing the axes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to push your code as a weapon, maybe I can take a look at it. It's
Yeah,
just rotations.
because rotational math is probably my biggest weakness.
Are you doing in quaternions or degrees?
Quaternions.
Ah, brilliant. I know
Okay,
nothing about quaternions.
you
Okay.
could probably do it using actual
Well,
Euler
I mean,
Regels.
I doubt I should just go and change
Nah,
what's been in virtually every other version of this game.
feel free to do it. To be honest, like I don't trust my own decisions. So this level, just walk forward, I guess. And this is the bridge one.
Oh, yeah, I did the icon.
Okay, so I should actually go 2 forward and then to the left.
Oh, yeah, there's no starting tile. What's going on with that?
There's no starting tile?
There's no starting tile, yeah.
Why am I getting a problem here?
Yeah, but that's always been the case, I think. No, but wait, no, but the second level is also supposed to have the adjacent tiles, isn't it? Oh, maybe not. No, it looks okay. Maybe it's not supposed to have it.
Why is this a problem all of a sudden?
Yeah, just on the first level, no starting tile.
Yeah, I kind of gave up on access on testing the pressure plates now. Just so you know.
That's all right. Just fix the first tile.
Okay.
And just commit, I guess, as a whip.
Yeah.
What you have, and I'll take a look at it.
There is an issue with pressure plates, but I already know how to fix it.
Okay. I mean, it would be great if you could fix that.
Yeah. I mean, it's basically an issue whenever we have a tile that has multiple children. I didn't take that into account. Why are you? There we go. If otherwise, return null. That should fix it.
Wait, what? Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. So is that's the bridge, the first bridge in the bridge test?
Yeah.
That's a mirrored one, right?
Yes. Yes. yes.
Yeah, the rotations are very broken on that.
Well,
Because again, it's rotation. Bridge. Applying it to the children. Doing that.
oh, this is this is oh, that's okay. I'm already dead.
So I'm not sure why the bridges are doing this when they're mirrored. Bridge half, yes.
No, when bridges were broken, they couldn't at all. They were broken. Ah, no, but no, no, no. But, okay. I think he said there's an issue with pressure plates as well, but he knows what it is and he's. I'll ask him. Peter, what's the ETA on the fixes that you know of?
Like the fixes I've already implemented.
Yep.
Um,
And that you plan to implement before you head off.
to be honest, I'm not sure if I can fix the axe rotation.
Does it still work in the one direction?
Yes.
Okay. Just push that as it is, and I'll take a look at the opposite one.
Yeah, because there's pretty much only one fix that's fully implemented, and that's the pressure plate crash that was happening. So I'll push that right now. All right, I pushed a fix that has to do with pressure plates, but the rotations for the mirrored pressure plates is still not working.
What do you mean mirrored pressure plate?
Like,
yeah.
yeah.
Mirrored bridges. Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah, the bridges.
Okay. Question. Does the start tile work on the first level? If
For
you get
me,
rid of all the debug levels, yes, and see if the start tile works.
it should.
Because it's broken on mine and Jan's. So.
I mean, I start. Like literally, does the player spawn in the right place? Is what you're meaning?
Yes, and when he dies, does it appear in the right place? Well,
Hang on a minute.
It's not even the start tile. It's no the level tile. The level tile doesn't have the first tile underneath the player. so
Yeah,
it's
I'm
floating.
seeing that as well.
Yeah, so that
Uh,
needs to be fixed.
Yeah, I can throw that together like right now.
And if you can do me a solid, just find the key code Q thing and comment it out or delete it or something like that. 'cause
Okay.
that's still there.
I can take care of that.
Yeah, thank you.
That was.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'll be back.
Yeah.
Right.
24 hours stream.
Just do this. Key codes. Q. There. Get rid of that. Level manager. Why isn't that happening? Yeah, why isn't that happening? Oh, because of this, yeah. Um, okay, in here. Let's see if that fixes it. Why is it not appearing? Okay, so it's, yeah. Let me just undo this and check what actually ends up happening here.
I think
That's why.
Write an algorithm in general. It wouldn't be too good. You need to make sure that there's honestly not that much. We have less than 10 possible. We have, I guess only 2 of them. Yeah, it's like honestly 6 times. One left. 8 of them, well, 4 and 4 of them are identical in terms of what they do.
So I know why it's not appearing.
Yep.
You have an invalid tile as the start tile.
Okay.
Well, it's not.
In the first level.
So, yeah, it's set to like 120. The actual blue,
Yeah.
the blue channel.
This is the only time that color is being used.
Yeah.
That first level, we kind of needed that to set it. If you can do that without it,
Well, I mean, why is it necessary?
well, I just didn't know how we were doing it, so I kind of added it for there.
Yeah.
You guys can ignore it if anything.
I'll remove it and
Yep.
see if that works.
Okay.
Because if that's the case, then to fix it, you just update the actual level file.
I'll do that immediately.
Overwrite. And it should be good now.
I was worried that I'd leave like something stupid in one of the levels, and that would be like it. Like you can't get through the level.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, so just update the level file that fixed it.
okay, so yeah, I'm about to export. I'll send it to you, I guess, and you can send it all as a connection.
Yeah.
Click export PNG. Guess that has to be called A.
And I'm gonna push the fact that I removed the Q key.
Yeah.
So that's pushing now.
Okay. If you're are you pushing all your changes now?
No, it's just that the one change because
Okay.
like,
Well, then yeah, I'm sending you the updated level in
Um,
Discord.
the like the first level?
Yeah, he's pushing all the code that you need to make the game run. You should be able to get to the end without any problem. And I'm gonna take a look at some game bugs after I give you some screenshots. Yeah, that's fixed. That was a texture problem. I'm just about to send it to him.
So you want me to push that texture?
Yeah. Well, actually, no. You can just push. I'll pull and I can just discard all my changes. There's no way they're still relevant.
Yeah. I mean, I could push the first level.
I mean, you didn't make any changes in the code to fix that, did you? 'Cause
No,
I
it's
changed the
just a
level and that's fine.
PNG.
Okay. Well, I mean, I have it exactly like if you're certain that the values are the same,
Yeah.
then go ahead. But I mean, I have like the file that I'm certain of is the correct one.
Yeah, that's all right.
Um,
You can feel free to push that.
Cool.
And yeah, either you or Jan is gonna have to take a look at the bridge.
yeah, I think I'll
and
take a look at it after I take
yeah. So it's both the
screenshot.
bridge rotation and the
Yeah,
axe
yeah,
rotation.
yeah.
And those are kind of, I think those are really the only major
So
bugs.
Is your latest commit remove queue to open bridges? Right?
Yep.
That's it. You're not pushing anything else.
Nope.
Okay. Okay, Jan, if you pull my commit, updated texture, you should be good to build that.
Let's just watch Jan's stream. I just realized I haven't had music on in it so long.
Need something. Let's do these screenshots for Jan and be out of here. I mean, start quitting. That.
All right. So is Jan gonna push an update with all
Yeah,
of the
he's
fixes?
gonna release a new dist.
Okay, in that case, I'm gonna download it and test it out.
Yeah,
It's
he'll upload it to Discord as usual.
okay. Cool.
Peter's gonna head off after he tests it.
Yeah. The only two
Then,
major
like-
bugs that are still left are the bridge and the axe rotation.
I'll take a look at him, and
Yeah.
I think I have a way for solving it, but I have no idea how you're doing it.
Yeah.
Just to be clear, the problem isn't the rotation; it's the translation, right? They get translated wrong.
No, it's
Just
the
the-
actual rotation for the axe. It's definitely the rotation because it's facing the completely wrong way.
Mm-hmm.
I think with the bridge, it might also be rotation.
Okay. But both of them are visible, right?
Yeah, they're both
Generally.
visible.
Yep.
You will have no trouble spotting them. So I'm gonna test this once it's uploaded and then head off. That's the wrong level. I'm seeing it
What level?
on stream.
Oh.
He had that was it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think you included the debug levels.
Oh, yeah.
I'm watching his stream,
That's funny.
and yeah,
That's
the
no.
first level is the debug level you sent me.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, and I'll give you a file in Discord and stuff. Why? Bro, what a blunder. I mean, I made the level alright.
I think we're all getting pretty tired.
Right. At this point. White gaps. What are white gaps?
Wide gaps.
You can't clear one block title.
No?
I don't know how you clear a 2-block title. Okay.
You can, like, I've seen it happen once where you were able to walk over a one tile gap, but that's only happened once in the entire jam.
Okay.
So
Yeah, Peter says he's seen it once before in the entire jam.
yeah. So it's not a common occurrence.
Should be in Discord. Wait. I'm about to send it to Peter. Yeah, just slap that in there. Eh? I don't know. Yeah. Well, I guess, yeah, I figured, yeah, I don't know why I did that. I guess it's right at the end of it, I'm like, no, I'm done with Fork. I'm done with Git. Just put that in there.
All right, well, I'm gonna end my stream right now because there's no point in me continuing the stream. I'll stick around until I can test the game, though. All right, so
Okay. No problem, Peter.
let's see. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be around like in Discord until I can test the game. But
Alright, yeah, no problem.
I'm just gonna end my live stream.
Okay. Jan, do you reckon you could just make an audio channel?
All right, well, thank you everyone for sticking with me for 72 hours. It's been a damn journey, and I'm really liking the game. So I'm probably not going to be streaming for a few days because I've been streaming a lot lately. But yeah, I had a crap ton of fun. So hopefully you've enjoyed. I'm going to be exporting all of my stream VODs to the YouTube channel. So feel free to check that out in a few days if you want to see anything. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you have a good night or day. Go and play the game. It's on Studio Eternus itch.io. I can type out that link real quick. itch.io. There you have the link.